Power JOHN25 UTTP more like poopin' 25 Erdnitanabinas. Oh my fucking god. This user sucks. He keeps making grounded videos out of good users for no fucking reason. 1. He is the bad user. 2. He is a fucking bitch. And 3. He is a cocksucking asshole. Do you know who likes him? Funda bro up. They wishes they can be friends forever. But he can't because he is terminated. And do you know who hates him? JOHN, Alex Kimball, Skylar Hawkins and as Thomas and other good users. They wishes they can go to his house and kill him. So, fuck Power JOHN25 UTTP. And fuck Funda bro UTTP. Alex Kimball is 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 times better than Power JOHN25 UTTP. End of rant. Please like, comment and subscribe me on YouTube.